Ever wonder how a bridge stays whole? How metal becomes a single soul? Two pieces separate, standing alone, then flash, they're fused into one zone. It's not glue, it's not tape, it's not magic tricks, it's electricity and physics. Let me show you how we make metal stick. Strike an arc, light it up, thousands of degrees in a glowing cup. Metal's melting, pooling bright, atoms dancing in the light. This is welding, this is real, turning lightning into steel. Here's the secret, electricity flows between electrode and metal, it goes. The current jumps across the gap, creating an ARC with the thunderous zap. 5 to 20,000 degrees, hotter than lava by centuries. Steel melts at 1500 UC. This arc's heat is insanity. Strike an arc, light it up, thousands of degrees in a glowing cup. Metal's melting, pooling bright, atoms dancing in the light. This is welding, this is real, turning lightning into steel. But wait, here's where it gets insane. That molten pool's not just a flame. As it cools, something magic occurs. Atoms from both metals converge. They don't just touch, they don't knock. Crystal by crystal, block by block, epitaxial growth it's called, to become one when the heat is stalled. Remember that arc we talked about? Without protection, welds fall out, 'cause oxygen sneaks into the pool, creates weak spots. That's the rule, so we shield it with gas or flux coating.